Hi, this time I'm going to show you my indoor plant collection. So this is our living room of our south facing house. So it receives moderate sunlight through most part of the day, and this is an ideal condition for growing indoor plants. So the first plant we have is Philodendron Xanadu. So during the lockdown we had seen a high demand for this plant, and in the nurseries the price of this plant has skyrocketed, but I still wanted to go and get my one piece for myself. So that is, this plant was not doing really well when I got it, but thankfully we have started to see some new growths coming out recently, and this makes me so happy to know that this plant is well and surviving. The next arrangement we have is this Dracena, or the lucky bamboo plant that we commonly call this. So this setup was bought online from Pro Planters, and in these tubes, water-filled tubes, we would put the cutting of the lucky bamboo plants, and we had to change the water every 5 to 6 days. And yes, without that it's a very easy to maintain plant, and they have been growing so well, and this arrangement is really beautiful. And next we have very small cactuses in these tiny pots that we bought online from, I think, AliExpress. And unfortunately I am not very good with maintaining cactuses, so we only have two. The rest of the plants have not survived, unfortunately. Here we have two money plants, or the golden pothos, and we got few cuttings from a neighbor during the lockdown, and this plant have started to trail already, and this makes me so happy. So I want to share the story of this plant stand. So this plant stand was my mother-in-law's. She made it around 25 or 28 years ago, but it has still been maintained in such good conditions, and we can still arrange plants in it. On this side again, this stand also belongs to my mother-in-law, and we have just varnished it to give it a decent look. And on top of it we have two plants. So one, this is another cactus. I am not very sure about the exact ID, but this is a syngonium. Unfortunately this also has not been doing very well, but I still want to give effort to make sure that this plant survives and does well in the spring. This is a small photo frame that my father-in-law has kept. It is of them very many years ago. And here we have two more indoor plants. These are the Sansevierias, or the snake plant that we commonly know. So this one is with the yellow border, and this one is the dwarf version. So these are again very good for areas which does not receive a lot of light, so you can definitely try to keep it indoors. And here we have the Philodendron Cello, which was again very high on demand last year, and I found this tucked in the corner of a local nursery, and I immediately picked it up, but the soil was infested with pests, and I had so much trouble to make sure that I can keep it in my house. But thankfully it has also survived and given out new growths. So these are some of the indoor plant collections that I have in my house right now, and I wanted to share with you. Thank you.